Tiny homes are a perfect accommodation when you are young, wild and free.
Yes, but as the recent pandemic lockdowns have shown us, sometimes new needs may emerge, such as that of having more space.
More space you can use to store your children's toys.
And not just for them.
In fact, circular volumetric additions are the perfect solution for all needs. They allow for more space, more well-being and more circularity.
But what's new? Volumetric additions have always existed to gain more space.
That's true, but the ones we propose also provide more energy efficiency and more circularity.
Very interesting. But how would you actually get a product with all these features?
Well, that's a good question, mostly because I haven't told you everything yet.
What? Are you kidding? How can there be more?
Oh yes, UNIBO has developed a tool that allows you to assess circularity both rapidly and easily.
Are you suggesting that there is a tool for assessing circularity without any specific technical training, suitable for customers, giving a reliable overview of the environmental impact of volumetric additions?
Exactly. Different intervention scenarios were studied in the Drive Zero project to analyze a set of 3D circular solutions in terms of circularity and environmental impact through a simplified LCA. Among these, we analyzed deep renovation scenario,
which is the energy refurbishment of the building envelope.
On-top addition scenario,
that consists of the addition of a floor and therefore an increase in net area.
A side addition scenario,
the construction of additional rooms, loggias or greenhouses in the side facade, which may have originally been blind.
Facade addition scenario,
the creation of these new spaces on the main facade.
And to conclude, we have considered a scenario including all the previously mentioned solutions.
Through our tool, we are able to assess the circularity degree of volumetric additions in terms of mass of materials, embodied energy and carbon.
Very interesting!
And beyond, we also include in the analysis some indicators to assess the material sources and their potential reusability at the end of life.
Amazing! What are the outcomes?
Our tool provides an index of the circularity degree related to the analyzed building or component. The output is a user-friendly express impact index of the intervention.
Therefore, it can be applied both by designers and manufacturers to improve their products, but also by customers to make a more aware choice, not only in economic, but also in environmental terms.
Correct. In fact, the real value of this tool is that it can be combined with an economic evaluation and thus widely disseminated to increase collective awareness of the impacts of building interventions on both new and existing buildings.
The business model foresees a perfect synergy between this tool and BIM tools that allow the integration of material data early in the design phase. All this is further optimized by a prefabrication production phase that facilitates an even more efficient process.
In this way, everyone gets their benefit: industries, customers, and also the environment.
Now that you know,
you will become addicted to 3D addition.